I like to prime and then I jump straight into the brows. I have naturally thick brows, so I don't